Tiwala ang palasyo ng Malacanang na walang bigat ang panawagan ng ilang grupo na magbitiw sa pwesto si Pangulong Aquino. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda, bagamat kinikilala ng ehekutibo ang malayang pamamahayag, naniniwala ang palasyo na hindi kumbinsido ang maraming Pilipino na dapat bumaba sa pwesto ang Pangulo. Ang detalye niyan ihatid ni Rocky Ignacio mula sa palasyo ng Malacanang. Live!
Maraming salamat. Naniniwalang Malacanang na nananatili ang mataas sa kumpiyansa ng publiko kay Pangulong Aquino. Tiniyak pa rin ng palasyo na nakatuon ang atensyon ng Pangulo sa trabaho hanggang sa pagtatapos ng kanyang termino sa susunod na taon. Kumpiyansang Malacanang na walang bigat ang panawagang resignation o pagbabago sa gobyerno laban sa Aquino administration sa harap ng kontrobersyal na Mamasapano incident. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda sa rally sa EDSA Shrine ng National Transformation Council kasama ang tiyuhin ni Pangulo Aquino na si dating Congressman Jose Pepinco Huangco.
The President takes all things in stride. What happened yesterday was significant for us. Those who were asking for the President's resignation didn't gather anybody didn't gather. Based on newspaper accounts, they gathered around 850 to 1,000, despite the publicity. I think people do realize the importance of the President's role in our country. They also realize the effects of asking for the President's resignation.
Paliwanag ni Lacerda, bagamat kinikilala ng ehekutibo ang malayang pamamahayag, naniniwala ang palasyo na hindi kumbinsido ang maraming Pilipino na dapat nang bumaba sa pwesto ang Pangulo.
Intimations that his uncle has said publicly, that's his opinion. But we go about doing our business of governance. And so, how do we treat the comments of his uncle and his aunt? It's just any other opinion in the public, which has not swayed anyone from who has not swayed a great majority of the people. The people continue to repose their trust in the President.
Kasunod nito, naniniwala rin ang palasyo na tapos na rin ang usaping tangkang kudeta laban sa Aquino administration.
I think the significance of the number of the number of people who attended yesterday's gathering is a significant manifestation of the support of the people to the President.
Pagtiyak pa ng palasyo na nanatiling nakatuon ang atensyon ng Pangulo sa pagganap sa mandato na ipinagkaloob ng tao.
The President has done so much for the country. The President has lifted us the economic well-being of our country from its previous past. The President has made a number of significant reforms, both in governance as well as the economy, and continues to do so. And people see that and realize that.
At yan po ang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat, Rocky Ignacio.